In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change the time zone here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So we just have to wait until it will be ready for us before we can proceed. So from here, please navigate to the left side of that. You can see there an option called time and language. And under the time and language, you can see there date and time, language and region, typing and speech. Please proceed to the date and time. Okay, and there you can see that the set time zone automatically. So before you can change the time zone, ensure that the switch option here, just navigate here, make sure that it is being disabled or off. Okay, again, make sure that it is being disabled or off. Once you're done, this time zone would be available for you. Where here, just click on this down arrow key and choose your time zone that is in accordance to the country or place that you are living with. Okay, so just have to select here. There are a lot of places or time zone that you can choose here. Just select the time zone that is in accordance or that is incompatible to the country or place that you are in. Okay, so in my case, the Singapore Kuala Lumpur is the time zone that is in accordance or that is compatible to my place. Okay, once you're good, close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Please don't forget also to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded on changing your time zone here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you for watching and have a good day.